The embroidery world underwent a remarkable transformation with the inception of Melco's patented technology in the early 1980s. This pivotal moment marked a turning point in the history of embroidery, significantly impacting production efficiency and setting new industry standards. Melco's innovation in 1982 was groundbreaking. The company introduced a proprietary technology that revolutionized the way embroidery was performed. Before Melco's intervention, creating embroidery designs was a laborious and time-consuming process. With Melco's introduction of their unique technology, the embroidery industry was taken by storm. It allowed the sewing of perfect circles using a satin stitch, and for the first time enabled arched lettering to be produced directly from a keyboard. These achievements may seem modest by today's standards, but at the time they represented a leap forward in production capability and design flexibility. The patented technology involved an interactive process whereby the operator would digitize the design. This method borrowed concepts that were akin to the traditional punching technique. However, it was considerably more advanced as it streamlined the creation and modification of embroidery designs. The digitized design would then be transferred to a paper tape measure of 1 inch, a common storage medium of the day. Subsequently, the data was moved onto a floppy disk, a major technological milestone in its own right, which would then interface with an embroidery machine capable of stitching out the detailed patterns. Despite the improvements Melco brought to the table, the embroidery process remained constrained by the fact that it could only be executed by a single operator at a time. Such a restriction implied that production times were less than ideal, potentially leading to bottlenecks and inefficiencies. All of this began to change within the same epochal year, thanks to the forward-thinking company Wilcom, which introduced the embroidery industry's first multi-user system. This innovative approach allowed multiple individuals to engage with the embroidery tasks concurrently, a radical departure from the one-person-at-a-time method. Wilcom's system was not just a simple modification, it represented a complete overhaul of the production flow and a giant leap towards optimizing efficiency. The digitization process was nonetheless relatively straightforward. It was executed through keyboard inputs that translated the design into a digital file. The beauty of this approach was the elimination of the old, strenuous manual punching of designs onto cards. These manual techniques had been the backbone of the industry for decades, but were now rendered obsolete. The new method significantly decreased the likelihood of human error and expedited the translation of creative concepts into stitch-ready commands. The industry greeted this technological renaissance with open arms. Increased flexibility and velocity were the primary outcomes of these inventions, which also unearthed uncharted territories for creative expression within the embroidery domain. The capacity to sew precise circles and beautiful arched lettering effortlessly empowered designers with a newfound liberty to push the boundaries of their art. In light of the implementation of the multi-user system, embroidery enterprises could delegate tasks more efficiently among their operators. No longer constrained by sequential workflows, they could now have several stages of the production process occur simultaneously. One operator could be digitizing a new design while another edited an existing pattern, and yet another could be stitching out a finalized project. This concurrent modality resulted in a dramatic reduction in the time needed to complete orders. The operational management of embroidery firms benefited as well. With the multi-user system, overseeing orders and maintaining an accurate inventory became significantly simpler. Business owners could track their operations with ease, leading to improved business practices and customer satisfaction. Wilcom's system set a gold standard in the industry as it was the pioneering multi-user system tailored for embroidery. The ambition and ingenuity of Wilcom did not wane. The company continued its trailblazing path. It introduced enhancements that included the ability to generate complex multicolored and multi-layered designs, propelling the creative potential of embroidery to even greater heights. As we progress through time, the embroidery industry has advanced considerably from the milestone created by Melco in 1982. The evolution of computer hardware and software has allowed for the creation of designs of stunning complexity and finesse in a fraction of the time once required. Nonetheless, it's important to recognize that the introduction of Wilcom's multi-user system remains a significant catalyst in the storied evolution of embroidery. It marked the dawn of a new age, an age where speed, accuracy, and efficiency became the beating heart of embroidery production. These advancements have not only shaped the contemporary landscape of embroidery, but also forecast a promising future for the field. The progression from single-operator machines to sophisticated networked systems has transformed the operational dynamics for those in the industry. The early challenges of labor-intensive processes and slow production rates are now supplanted by the rapid and collaborative workflows made possible by these technologies. It resulted in an era where intricate designs are achievable with a swiftness that aligns with the demands of fast-paced markets and customer expectations. The narrative of these monumental changes within the embroidery industry is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of betterment. The solutions provided by Melco and Wilcom did more than just increase production speeds. They allowed embroidery artisans to expand their creative horizons and businesses to thrive in an increasingly competitive marketplace. The joint impact of Melco's patented technology and Wilcom's multi-user system has been nothing short of inspiring, enabling a legacy of innovation that continues to influence embroidery and the broader textile industry today. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.